Hello jQuesters and welcome back, and this is a vlog. Today I'm gonna attend the inaugural event for we have reached the place that is the DRNK LAB, and they're setting up all the decorations. You can see behind me all the decorations they're setting up for this event. It's just situated near, on the road of the Lighthouse Hill Road. This is the road which you can see behind me, and that's a KMC college down there. Now every decorations are great, and you can see this is the front portion of the DRNK LAB. You can see behind me. So it's not at inaugurated. You can see the ribbon out there. I'll show you around. It's only that much effective. You take a video.
Hi. Hello.
It's not that effect. It's only for a few seconds.